Hi everyone, we'll be working today on the Google Pixel 2. As you can see on right here, the back glass cracked. Pretty much not the camera glass, but around it. But it's really easy to replace it, so you just need to hit it up really well and it's gonna start coming off. So I'll show you how to do it. Just watch it. Okay, so you can start from one of the sides. Use razor or glass blade, something small so you can get between and pop it up. And then once you pop it up a little bit, you can use the plastic stuff to get around it so you don't scratch the surface around the phone. It's glued pretty well, so you'll need to use lots of heat. They're just small pieces, they don't come up at once. Just hit it up pretty well. If you need to do extra, it should come off pretty easy at some point. Gonna use some more heat gun. Use it as much as you need. Okay, let's try to get this big part out. Guess I'll have to go very slow, just breaking piece by piece. Take your time so you don't scratch your phone, that's the thing. You don't want to do that. Cracks pretty easy too, so. It'll come off. Damn, it's getting super hot. I'm gonna use this thing to get around her. It's pretty hot. Be careful so you don't overuse this heat gun too, because it could melt some parts on your phone. This is probably the corners are the hardest parts because they have the most adhesive around. Be really careful in this corner because you have some parts going through here. As you can see, some of the cables, so you gotta be more careful not to cut it. And not to melt it. I'm just gonna use it. Okay, finally came off. Now I gotta clean this corner a little more. Probably need some heat up more. Doesn't come off so easily, like some of this. Okay, now it should come off pretty easily in the last part. Okay, here it is. Just enough heat and it comes off pretty easy. Okay, now to clean the rest of the gloss and the old adhesive as much as you can, so your new gloss will lay down pretty easily. Check, make sure there is no gloss left anywhere on the edges. Everywhere, clean it really well. And then just use your new gloss to stick it in. Be really careful around this stuff so you don't damage right here. And now you can just get new gloss. It's got some adhesive, depends where you buy it. They always send differently. And then just stick it back in and press on it and press a little bit harder. And looks like new phone. Looks like it's been fixed. I did a different color because I just wanted a different color for it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.